Okay, guys, sorry. I'm back. So I have good news for you. After a week of trying get done with this course, it seems like I finally got some good results, believe it or not. And yeah, this is absolutely exciting to me personally. So here is the code that I'll be working with since the end of the part number 1. And just before continuing this live coding session, well, probably it can be treated like a live coding session after these preparations I've done, but anyway, so yeah, get rid of this get site stuff and slightly change the okay, so yeah, let's actually drop back and start from the beginning again. Okay, so this should be the source at the state where we have ended, where we've ended up the previous part. So if I just say python 3 engine.py, yeah, goes some weird move like b2 to b3. Okay. Is this just... Hold on, I just want to make sure that... Yeah, I only did run this. Okay. So... let's get back to work. So python 3 engine.py. Okay, yeah, by the way, for those of you who has just joined this sort of a live coding session, what we're trying to do here, we're trying to apply Monte Carlo tree search algorithm along with the Stockfish efficiently updatable neural networks all together to make our chess engine to play chess, basically. Okay, so just want to open my files here. State. So the very first thing that I did in order to resolve, well, actually, let's start from the very beginning. So I just want to get back to my game loop. Where is my game loop? Okay, where is my game loop? Okay, here is my game loop. So, well, first of all, so just for the debugging purposes, just want to make this infinite loop. So while true, and here I want to print the best move. Okay, and like this. Okay, and the best move, and print the board. So print self, basically, and also I want to make move on board. So it would be self equals self dot take action and best move. So these are the steps that I'm just now reproducing the steps I've been walking through before, since the last session, basically. So let's have a look. Okay, now it plays chess versus itself, but you see like it plays absolutely weird moves, and the reason for that is because we just have completely wrong logic for assigning scores, believe it or not. So now we'll try to resolve that. Well, by the way, another task that I've been making here, so we can actually take user input. Well, actually, let's say make make user move. Again, like no move validation. Just want to, actually I make use of no move validation here to make sure that it at least is capable of evaluating the material properly. So what I was doing here, I was saying like self equals self dot take action and providing the user input here. So we can say like make move, let's say your move. Sorry guys, I just had a supper. Okay, so your move, and let's try again. So let's say okay, another good idea would be to print the board. So print self and also print self when we make a move. Okay, your move, so E2, E4. Okay, and again, like even though it seems like it makes a reasonable move, but you see like it just starts dropping the pieces, which is definitely kind of wrong. And again, like in order to make it play versus itself, we can now just comment out the part that is responsible for parsing the user move and making it on board. You see like it's plain complete nonsense here. So now let's go to Monte Carlo research. And well, I did remove this constant, so I was changing this UCB or UCD formula. It's hard to say which one exactly we do have here. But anyway, the first thing I got rid of is this get site, and we also don't need to get the site here in right over in here. We don't need this literally. And yeah, and this doesn't actually change much. It still plays weird nonsense, but it's not the point. So something that really helped me to make it work. So there is a nice project by Dietrich Kappe called AO Lite, which is this LC0? Definitely not, and so on, so on. So he's created a 95 lines of Python code, neural network plus Monte Carlo research chess engine. Well, something similar to what we're trying to create in this video, but the difference is that Dietrich's engine actually uses Lila-like neural network. It doesn't only return the score for a current given position, but also the winning probabilities for each available move, which is a little bit more complicated. Well, to me personally, it's a complete rocket science, but doesn't matter really. And he has his own neural net for that, which is also very good of him, so I'm just too dumb to make it on my own. But anyway, I just reference the search. So here is the ust.py file, which regards to the search. And in the backpropagation part, what Dietrich does, he uses this turn factor variable equals to -1, and he multiplies this by -1 every time. By the way, he also adds the number of visits for the one last time when we are in the root. So this, well, most likely I might be wrong though, but this is like adding one more visit for the root node, even though it works without this. But well, I don't know, maybe we should do this, maybe not, but that's not the point really. So actually he so his value, well, hold on a sec. Yeah, so this value, he multiplies the value by the turn factor every time, and this is the exact thing that we need to do within our code. So if I just find my backpropagation here, so let's say turn equals -1, and now we need to say reward multiplied by the turn, and we need to say turn multiply equals to -1. So did I copy paste this correctly? It seems like. And by the way, one more thing that he does here is a number of visits. Yeah, and also he does this number of visits one more time. Well, I guess this is done for the root node. I might be wrong though. I actually didn't even use this when I initially tried the stuff on my own. But anyway, if I now run this stuff, it should be, oh, sorry, yeah. Hold on a sec. Excuse me. node. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so probably, yeah, forget that. So I believe this implementation don't really need it. And now suddenly what is incredibly interesting is it starts playing kind of decent chess. At least it doesn't give away pieces anymore. So you see, like, it just recaptures the pieces, and it seems like it's already playing kind of normal chess. So I just stopped this. And again, like, just to give you an idea regarding the difference, so if I just do not multiply by the turn here, and let's say, so just want to show you the test that I've made before recording this video. So this version allows us to cheat horribly. So I want to move from D1 to F6, literally giving away the queen. But if we don't use this turn factor, it does whatever, but doesn't take the queen. But in case if we do actually make use of this turn factor, again guys, I'm really sorry for this code monkey king approach, but assuming that I am code monkey king, that is the only possible way I can do this, basically. So let's try again, D1 to F6, and now he grabs the queen. Oh, sorry guys. Now he grabs the queen, which is absolutely fine and exactly what we should actually see here in this position. The most reasonable, the most predictable way of doing things. So yeah, let's. I'm sorry for this unsuccessful attempt to. I don't know what's the difference, to be honest. Why Dietrich does this? Well, probably has some sort of a different implementation here, and probably that's the reason why it works. Oh, it's not the current parent. Yeah, well, still seems to be the same, but yeah, for some reason, I don't know. Well, doesn't matter. It works without that, so we don't really need to care. And by the way, I don't even need to change anything here with in regards to this exploration value, which I did in my previous tries. So probably we can just leave this. Okay, guys. So now I just wanna, as a human, I just wanna try to play a couple of moves to make sure that it responds properly. Okay, so knight from G1 to F3. Okay, we're going for real pass, not that bad. So B1 to C5. I'm sorry, I just made some horrible move. B1 to C5, and he just, oh, I just went, oh my god, what have I done? B1, I mean C1 to B5 actually. It seems like I just dropped the piece. Okay, which is definitely good. So, well, it's already seems like a successful result, but well, let's try again. So G1 to F3, and now C1 to B5. Yeah, now this is a real pass. Okay, so, well, pretty nice so far. Stockfish and NNUE plays the classical real pass here. So B5 goes to A4. Now this move is a little bit weird, but this is fine. This is basically fine. So let's take F3 takes D4. And he recaptures with the pawn, which is not that bad. Okay, let's go C2 to C3. I'm not going to be playing chess all the stream. I just want to make sure that everything working properly. So A4 goes to C2, protecting the pawn. Yeah, so it seems like it's kind of capable now of playing reasonable chess. The only thing that I'm really not sure about is whether it's actually capable of checkmating or not. And how about the stalemates and 50 rule repetition, threefold repetition. So all those drawing scores, I'm not really sure how those are gonna be handled, and if they actually gonna get handled. Well, most likely they not about to be working here, but we still are about to actually figure that out. So let's actually drop at this moment. So it seems like that the bare minimum stuff to make the so-called engine move in its pieces. Okay, sorry guys, just sorry for that. So the bare minimum job needed to make the engine move in pieces in some sort of a reasonable way is now being achieved. And the next thing I would like to consider would be probably trying to connect the UCI protocol to actually see how it's going to be playing within, how is it going to be playing within a GUI. So I didn't yet test this, so starting from this moment in particular, again, like it's a real live stream from now on, because what I'm going to be doing next I didn't yet try. So I just want, so here in AO Lite we have a very nice implementation of the bare minimum cache size of the bare minimum. I got UCI protocol. Yeah, so this should be it. Okay. I'm just wondering, can I just grab this entire source and hope for the best? So process position, send. STDL flush. Ah, so probably this send is about to be used within. I swear I didn't yet walk through this code. Oh, okay. So this is how. Okay. So this should be interesting. Search. Okay. So I just copied this entire stuff now. Copy and. A new file, and I call it uci.py, and here I say UCI protocol implementation from AO Lite by implementation from AO Lite by Dietrich, I hope I spelled his name correctly, Kappe. Okay. Okay, so let's get rid of the stuff that I don't understand. So I don't want any log file here. Well, it might be interesting basically, but no, just forget that. So why accept something? Yeah, it's rocket science. Get rid of this. Okay, so let's provide the. Oh, okay. We don't even need the main driver here. I'm gonna be importing this file literally. So I would be importing all from this file, and instead of main, I call it UCI loop. Okay. Okay, I don't need this load network. Okay, so this ready. Okay, so I don't need this part. Save. Okay, and I don't need to this load network completely. What else? So process position, this should be parsing the parse position command from UCI. Send is okay as well. Login, we don't need login. Okay, log file, log, don't need this stuff. And all this constants, not sure what they do, so let's just call them traceback. Do we use traceback somewhere? Get rid of it. And yeah, all the rest should be just fine. And again, okay, so it also imports the search. So find search. Okay, so it seems to be the logic for making search with a specific parameter. So yeah, I will handle this just right in the moment. Okay, and one last thing. So why does he use PGN? I'm really wondering. Nope. So probably get rid of that as well. Okay. Okay, and state. Hold on a sec. Yeah, another thing here. So it actually creates. It creates. The chessboard instance here. Well, I have the state instance. So okay, so let's try from UCI import all and don't run this loop anymore. Okay, no module call search, this is just fine. And let's comment out this part for a while, so it's not gonna be doing anything at the moment. Okay. Okay, I just want to run this UCI loop to see if it's gonna be working or not. So but hold on a sec, maybe. Well, I could have embedded this into my state class, but yeah, it would be bad from the design perspective. So let's say run engine in UCI mode, and here UCI loop, right? Name log is not defined. Okay, we don't need this login stuff. Okay, yeah, now, okay, so we probably can quit. Okay, another log. Seems no more left. And now, guys, the most impressive part, like we would be changing the name and the author. So name CodeMonkeyKin. Okay. Ah, sorry. I couldn't even this correctly. Okay. So this would be CodeMonkeyKin, and the engine name, let's call it Monte Carlo Research NNUeProbe. Okay. It's not the best ever name for a chess engine, but on the other hand, it's hard to call it a chess engine, so I will leave this for now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so okay, it's first this comes from here, and well, I'm just gonna get rid of this. So UCI, okay, UCI new game. By the way, what's happening when I call this UCI new game here in particular? Okay, so this is where we start. So it starts creates the new board instance. So yeah, I think like maybe I can have a state here, and I would say Control F. So I just want to find all the boards. GG. So part of the constructors, I think I can replace them with find replace. Oh, no. Replace case sensitive. It doesn't take constructors anymore, so replace with the state.board. Okay. Replace all. Shouldn't be working now. Okay, state is not defined. UCI loop. But why doesn't it take, why doesn't it? Oh, what have I done? What have I done? Hold on a sec. Yeah, I won't be capable of testing this as far as it doesn't print anything like board or something. So okay, so state board equals, let's print state. So every time we parse a position, also there should be parse FEN. Hold on a sec. So FEN is handled here. Okay. Okay, this is good. So and UCI new game also print the state. So UCI new game prints the state. Okay, good. And say position start pause moves E2 E4. Okay, and now we have some disaster. Okay, process position missing one argument. Okay, process position. Okay, so it should be here. State. Even though that wasn't necessary, I believe. Yeah, that wasn't really necessary. We could have just have a single board here without all this. Yeah, here we don't actually need this. It's enough to say like just the board and board, I think. So yeah, let's just search for state. Okay. And then here, we don't actually need to do this. Okay, position start pause. So this position start pause, for those of you who's not aware, this is the USAC command to set up the board position from some sort of a previous state. So whatever games, doesn't matter how many moves were made on board, they all should be done. Okay, now okay, but why? I don't see the position being changed, so E2, E4, E7, E5. Okay, so it seems like they are not getting this is a bit strange. So why do we return board? So just now print I just now to print the board before returning this from position start pause and E2 E4. Now this is very strange. So why doesn't it make the move on board? Oh, that's the wrong command. What have I done? Come on, what have I done? That should be moves. I forgot UCI completely. So sorry guys, position start pause, moves, obviously moves, E2, E4, E7, E5. I should be printing. Okay, so prints in both. Okay, good. So now it's capable of making the moves. Well, I hope the same is with FEN. Didn't check that, but I think that should be working. At least I trust Dietrich's implementation completely. So, okay. Board push. Yeah, print state should be fine. Now, I'm not really sure regarding how actually, let's say, for example, how he parses depth. I think he doesn't. And if I have a look, so here, it seems like, is this time? Yeah, so this should be a time, and this is the nodes. Well, I'm not sure how exactly he calculates the nodes, but just for simplicity, we'll go at move time only implementation, I believe, or not, well, not even move time only, but I guess even, so time. Let's say just call it time mode, time control. So let's say UCI new game, and let's say go white time 5 minutes, black time 5 minutes, or 5 seconds actually, not 5 minutes. Okay, some neural network variable we need to get rid of this. Okay, it seems like it's working, but hold on a sec. I don't see my message being printed. I don't see my message being printed, to be honest. So is it only when I say go move time? Okay. So, which means that probably to handle the time controls, I have deleted that stuff too early. So, well, actually, let's say, so by the way, what was he doing here? My nodes. My nodes, what kind of my nodes is that? What's the my nodes? My nodes equals to nodes. It's interesting. So only here, but I'm not gonna be going for this fixed node stuff. So how does it calculate time? Okay, so else print. I just want to print this my time. So what is that equal for? Is that gonna be none? I have no idea. Let's see. Why time? Yeah, time is none for some reason. Well, in this case, it's a little bit unclear on how exactly he handles the time controls, to be honest, but I don't really want to spend too much time on this at the moment. So I will probably make this just the same, kind of like 1 second per move, currently. And is this the nodes? This should be the nodes. But we can use the time because we have the time implementation. Okay, and have a look at my time here. Oh, so he converts the time for some reason. Okay, I don't really want this time to get converted. I don't really want that time to get converted. Well, this is so unclear. He does something with this my time. When it comes to let's get rid of this divided by 1000. So okay, now this is much better. So this is how I want to make it. So okay, I don't know what this stuff is all about, like how he handles the blitz time controls and so on, but at the moment we just need to make it as a proof of concept, and I just want to make it work, and that's kind of it. So I think that now we should. So okay, where do I create my Monte Carlo research instance? Does anybody know that? Okay, I'm creating my Monte Carlo research instance within the search. Might not be the best ever thing to consider. By the way, how Dietrich does that? Search, ucd search, import search, and so maybe search means like this entire folder, I'm not sure. Okay, so no, that's kind of too long. That's too long. Yeah, it's impossible to make everything the best ever possible way from the first take, so let's just make it somehow and then hope for the best. Okay. I'm just trying to so yeah, I want to be calling this. So as far as state is already available within my UCI loop, right? That means that I can say here, I can say like state dot search. Hold on a sec. One last thing. So okay, where is my instance? Where is my instance of Monte Carlo research? Oh, okay, hold on a sec. Game loop. So yeah, wrong place. It shouldn't be here. Well, actually, this is fine because if the game loop is kind of working, then I'll probably just get rid of this. I could have leave this for tinkering, but yeah, probably I just get rid of this. I don't really like this non-completed things. Okay, so UCI, so probably, yeah, I'm creating the Monte Carlo research instance here, and time limit would be equal to my time. So how many to think of every move. And now current state. And hold on a sec. The one last thing that I can get still is where he would be printing the best move. Okay, here, send best move. Okay, after very end. Okay, so so here we just we'll duplicate this for other time controls just for a moment to avoid errors. But anyway, here we want to return best move to the GUI. So send, I guess, right? And best move, and here we create best move, and this would be a move string already, right? Search and state. And state will be assigned to whatever we have after person the position. I very hope so. So best move and the best move, save. Okay guys, I hold my breath and let's try to play chess via UCI protocol in the command line. So okay, let's mimic some GUI stuff. So UCI is ready. Okay, UCI new game. Okay, and let's say I want to play position. Just I play position, start, pause, moves, E2, E4. Okay, so I made my user move, and now I want engine to find the best move for this position within the range of 1 second. So I need to say go move time 1 thousandths. Okay, Monte Carlo research is not defined, so I need to say from Monte Carlo research import. No, not like this. From Monte Carlo research import Monte Carlo research as Monte Carlo research. And also I was doing this here in my state. Yeah, and I just want to get rid of this stuff here, and I want to get rid of game loop because we don't need this game loop. Now we have the UCI, and if anything goes wrong we can make it here directly instead of UCI loop. Okay, so this seems to be just fine. So take action. Yeah, code now. Yeah, quite a fun thing that code now is very miserable. Not miserable, like it's very compact. Okay. Still unclear with this maiden stuff. Okay, maiden scores them in. So let's try again. So UCI new game, position, start, pause, E2, E4, and go move time 1 second. Hold on a sec, run stuff, position, start, pause, moves, E2, E4. Okay, and now go move time 1 second. Okay, state object has no attribute search. So what else did I do wrong? Oh, obviously not state search, but Monte Carlo tree search. Okay, take number 3. So position, start, pause, moves, E2, E4, go, move time, 1 second. Okay, well at least, hold on a second, made some weird move, but at very least, it did something. Okay, send takes 1 argument by 2 were given. Excuse me. Send and string, so what kind of run here? Say type. So, or the best mode, this should be a string. So let's make sure what's printed there. So position. Okay, I will now just copy this to the buffer. Just to avoid retyping from scratch every time. Go. Okay, hold on a sec. What's wrong here? So we have this G8 to F6, but what is it printing? It's a bit strange and weird. Okay. What is going on here? Hold on a sec. Where this stuff comes from? Total score. Where all this stuff comes from? Do I print something? Okay, so I don't need this anymore. And it's a bit not the same move that we had. Okay, G8 to F6. Oh, sorry. G8 to F6, and let's say E4 to E5. And now go move time. Well, F6 to D5, well, this makes sense. Well, probably give some buffer, or I don't know why this happening, but to be honest. It's not the same game as we had before, but well, anyway, it doesn't seem to be that disastrous at very least. So oh, that's what he means by 2 moves. Okay. This is what he means by 2 moves. Okay. And by the way, do I have to... Do I have to print a new line? Okay, send. Okay, he writes this new line automatically. Okay, so it seems like I don't print the best move. Okay. Okay, let's give him 2 seconds. This is gonna be different. C7, C5. Okay, so this is already a better idea. And hold on a sec. UCI new game. If I just go D1 to F6, will he allow me? No, here he already processes. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so I want, well, probably, so where do I want to create a new search instance for my Monte Carlo tree search? Do I want to make this every time I'm going for a new search? I think so, but I think I can do it once here. Again, guys, if you have a better idea of how to and where exactly to create this Monte Carlo research instance, please let me know in the commentaries. I would greatly appreciate that. So, instance. Oh, what have I done? Nope. What have I done? This is different. So search with time limit per move. Okay, and here so here we'll call this a search placeholder. Search placeholder for time controls for various time controls. Okay, and here let's make a time of 1000. Okay, so let's try again. So can I just say go move time 1000 D to D4? Perfect, just perfect. Okay, quit. Okay, guys, so if I did everything correctly, from now on we should be capable, well, at least in theory, trying to play versus this engine in the GUI, believe it or not. So let's actually try to do that. And by the way, we would be using this AO Lite by Dietrich Kappe as the training partner for our engine. This version is claimed to play around 2050 of CCRL. Well, I have no idea how Monte Carlo research algorithm would perform. I know that my BBC chess engine with a, well, not really full-blown Nigamax with alpha beta, but quite pretty basic Nigamax with alpha beta. But anyway, it performs 2937 points, believe it or not. So that's kind of, just want to show you this. So that's not the power of my engine, that's the power of Stockfish and NNUE. And the most intriguing part within this experiment is actually how worse, or how maybe better or maybe equal it would be. So this is the Elo. Yeah, by the way, I just need to add a space here. Okay. Just sorry guys, it's not the right time to do it, but yeah, now it's much better. So this is how it performs with a normal alpha beta search, 2937 Elo points. And it's interesting how we'll perform with the Monte Carlo tree search. I'm really excited about the fact of testing this at the moment because I didn't yet do this ever. Okay, let's start a new game. Let's see what engines do we have. Yeah, by the way, all these engines are So this is the Aeolite by Dietrich Kappe that I have pre-installed into my arena, and here I just made even some experiments with Aeolite with NNUE, but most likely that's just some weird experiment that is not worth of. So just wanna, which is not worth watching, just wanna get rid of this because it's most likely have some horrible bugs in it and not working properly. So this one, Aeolite Shawul, okay. So yeah, let's start with this engine by Dietrich Kappe. Just I just want to make sure that it's still kind of working and capable of playing chess. So will you move, please? Nope. Come on, it was working. Come on, what's wrong with you, man? Maybe just start a new game. Yeah, it's playing somehow. It's playing somehow. Okay, this is good. So this is not the engine that we've just tried to make. To avoid any confusions, guys. So the engine that is playing now is this one. So we would be using as the sparring partner for our engine, for our Monte Carlo Research hybrid with NNUE. So this was the Aeolite by Dietrich Kappe, which is considered to be 2050 CCRL rating. Okay, so let's get rid of this for a moment and let's create a new engine. So I go my desktop and Monte Carlo Research NNUE chess. Okay, and this engine.py, and just to trick the arena, what's wrong with the author? Man, you kidding me? Some sort of wrong author here. Okay, okay, let's start again. Manage. New. Oh, that probably happens because it's kind of Python. Yeah, I don't know why it prints this country. I don't know why it does so. Let's call it Monte Carlo Research NNUE chess, and here I want to prevent Python 3 to. Is it not working? Can I do it like so? Hold on a sec. Don't tell me I can't do it like so. Okay, in this case, no, hold on, it's not that. Where is? Here it is. Yeah, it doesn't allow me. No, oh my god, he changes the authors. Oh no, it's not that. Hold on. Seems like something is wrong here. Okay, Python 3 is spelled like this. Apply. Well, let's give it a try. I can hardly believe something is going to be working, so I'll probably need to wrap this into within the shell file to run it like a Linux executable. Like, forget that. Okay, so yeah, it seems like it's not found. Okay, no worries. So in this case we just go for another trick. So Aeolite Shawul, and okay. Oh, sorry, it's not here. It's here, and new document. Call it chess.shawul. Paste. I want to use Python 3. Engine.py. Yeah, engine.py. Yeah, this should be, in theory, should be working. So we'll need to restore the arena and just to make sure. Okay. On Windows, you most likely should create a .bat file, I believe. Well, at least there is something that is done by Dietrich for his AO Lite. Yeah. So for Windows, you should have used this file. Okay, just to give an idea for for Windows users here. Okay, and now I need to give a permission allow execute as the program. Okay, well, I can actually do this here as well. So chess shall. Okay, UCI working. Okay, quit. So yeah, let's try using this to run using this shell script. Yeah, it should be working now. It should be working. Engine manage and details. So I will use this chess shell instead. Okay, my arena doesn't recognize the author by default for some reason. I have no idea why that is happening, but anyway. Okay, so are you alive? It's a bit strange first move. It's hard to believe this is the game that we've been playing. So what are the levels? Cancel. New game. Okay, just have a look. You kidding me? What kind of legal move are you talking here? Did it? I'm just wondering, did it manage to run? Okay, it seems like it did. Okay, yeah, let's go and adjust the levels to time per move. 1 second. Okay. Okay, now this seems to be a much better game. Yeah, probably I just set a too miserable time control there. So, okay, now it seems to be playing more or less reasonable chess. Hold on, guys, I just want to make sure. Move time 1000. But why? But in this case, I'm just really wondering what's going wrong with the different time controls there. Time limit 1000. Oh, so he does some. Hold on a sec. Well, this is complete mystery to me at the moment, but anyway, guys, it's not the point now, so I'm not releasing the version or something. I just want to run this as the proof of concept. So 1 second per move. Okay, and let's go for a self-play. So let's enjoy the show. Okay. Well, it seems like a reasonable chess so far. It's definitely a Stockfish and NNUE style, but powered with a Monte Carlo research algorithm already. It shouldn't be capable of checkmating, I believe, because it doesn't have any mating scores. So will you castle? Wow, it castles, but doesn't castle here for some reason. Well, maybe he castles kingside. Okay, so, well, the game seems to be very reasonable. Very reasonable here. Just wondering why not to go b2 to b4. Probably some some horrible stuff is going to happen then. Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, it's a bit unclear to me, but well, anyway, hold on a sec. Why did he just drop a queen? Well, I've heard that Monte Carlo tree search might be blundering pieces from time to time, so it's kind of natural for it. So, well, it seems like the overall game is more or less just fine. Well, even though, yeah, obviously it was kind of a bit too strange. Yeah, so I just want to make sure that it won't be capable to win with an absolutely winning material here. And then we'll try to go for implementing the mating scores. To be honest, guys, I have no idea how exactly those mating scores could have been implemented. I mean, at all. Okay, this is very strange moves, to be honest. Very strange moves. And just one little thing to mention regarding my alpha beta implementation that was working with Stockfish and NNUE as well. There was an issue that before I've added a penalty for 50 rule move draw to the evaluation, it wasn't actually capable of winning the game. And yeah, it's a bit strange. Why did he promote to knight, not to the queen? It's a bit strange to me. So it shouldn't be capable of mating. Well, we could have actually set some positions to try to force him to find mating 1 or something. But I just want to see how it goes with this, like here and now. Well, at least we have managed to create something that plays chess at very least, which is not that bad at all. And quite a fun thing that it's capable of promoting the pawns on its own without seemingly caring about the 50 rule move. So which also makes me happy. So is this going to be a draw? Okay, is this going to be a draw? Yeah. Okay, so threefold repetition, which means that he doesn't recognize the threefold repetition, which is good. So, yeah, probably. I'm not sure. Well, actually, the threefold repetition and the 50 move rule repetition is the matter of evaluation. Is the matter of search in normal alpha beta engines, not the matter of evaluation. But I'm wondering, assuming the capabilities of this Python chess library, can we return the drawn score within our evaluation? It's interesting. Okay, anyway, let's make another test here. So I just want to set a position. Well, at very least, the good result here that it actually is capable of playing chess. Well, even though it blunders pieces, but again, like for Monte Carlo tree search, it sounds weird, but it's normal to blunder pieces. And even this Aeolite by Dietrich Kappe had an issue, like blundering a queen. Aeolite I can't read this. So drop the queen in T-sec. T-sec is very, it's starting from 2900. So probably he trained some much more complicated and strong network for this version. I don't know. But even if this version managed to drop a queen, that it's quite pretty fine that our version that has no idea of move ordering at all actually drops pieces. Okay, so let's clear the board and try to set a mate in one position. Try to set a mate in one position. And we have white to move. Okay. And let's find the best move. Okay, and he doesn't find the best move, obviously. Okay, by the way, I'm just wondering, he doesn't print the score. That's another thing to just wondering. Well, it's not the number one thing to consider, but anyway. So best move, search and state. Can we make, hold on a sec, can we just engine, no, multi-crowd research and search. So here, best child. Do we have an access for our score? Okay, best child. Best child. Can we print, at least print this best child dot, is it called total reward? How is that called? Total reward. Okay, definitely not the best ever way to represent the score, I believe. Okay, so we don't need arena for a while. Let's get back to our development process, and let's say go move time 1 second. Oh my god, this total reward is a little bit too much. It's too big. Okay, another experiment. Let's go for another experiment. If I just try to call the NNUE score for this current move, it won't take much time, much processing power, I believe. So if we just try to say, so as far as we still do this, right? So we can just get the reward. Yeah, we don't need the total reward. Or hold on a sec. No, so where is the function? This is it. Okay, this is it. So NNUE policy, copy, and it takes the state. So can we just say best child dot state and print NNUE policy. It's a bit weird to do this like I do, but move time. What have I done? Go move time. Strange that it was working. It probably dropped to another like. Okay, so okay, just doesn't matter. So minus 64. It's a bit strange score. Okay, and if I say position, start, pause, moves, D2, D4, and go move time. G8, F6. Well, probably I need to negate the score. I think I should have negated the score in this case. I think I should negate the score. So if I just say minus, so go move time. Okay. So knight goes to f6, and this is like minus 52. Well, this seems to represent the true situation here. So I could have returned this score along with the best action, and in this case I think that in our UCI we can now say best move and score equals to this sort of a stuff. And here we can send info, centipoints, and the score. Well, actually, best score, okay, it doesn't matter. So, not sure this is going to be working, but let's try. So go move time. Okay, so just to make sure that the format is correct, I just want to reference my BBC engine to make 100% sure. Oh, or I can even, probably would be faster to reference AOLite as well. So engine.py info. Nope, that may be in UCT. Okay, info depth, select depth, score, info score, centipoints, and I have, yeah, we need to say info score, centipoints. Now this should be working in theory. Okay, so let's try to run Arena again, and I just want to make sure the scores are printed. Well, obviously when it comes to the maiden scores, we'll need to send them in a slightly bit different way, like mate and in how many plies, but with this sort of a search probably it's not even possible to get. Well, I don't know. So let's start a new game and let's try to, okay, so the position, so it now prints some value, and the value seems to be, well, it's also somehow normalized by the arena itself. So if I now take this, I should be minus. Okay, so it prints, hold on a second, prints like plus for this engine and minus for me. So is that correct? Is that correct? Are you gonna mate me? No, just takes my queen. Well, probably I want this to, yeah, probably I don't even need to negate the score. Now I've just realized that probably I don't even need to negate the score. Oh, what have I done? No, it's here in the best move. Search. Yeah, maybe I don't even need to negate that score. So, okay, yeah, now it seems to be correct. So white is slightly better, and now white should be worse. Oh, okay, perfect. Just perfect. So now this seems to be absolutely fantastic. So now it drops even more. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, to be honest, I'm a bit tempted to play versus this version, but sorry guys, but as far as it doesn't support checkmating, it doesn't make much sense. Sorry, but anyway. Okay, so checkmates. Well, quite a fun thing that if we have a look at this code, at AOLite code by Dietrich Kappe, we don't see, well, I personally, I don't see anything maiden score related. It's only value estimate. It's not mate, even though mate is in there. But yeah, but there are some other versions. Like he'll have this. By the way, big respect to Dietrich for leaving this minimalist version as the master branch, while he also has like this fancy branch, which probably somewhat much stronger stuff here. And here in this version, in this branch, we already have some maiden scores. I've seen them somewhere. UCD search, yeah, here. So if we have a mate or all moves result in mate or draws, handle it without a search. Pruner, but it's the matter of some sort of a pruner of it that I have no idea what is that basically. So it's already somewhat a complication, so I'm not sure how exactly that is done. So from my noob's perspective, even though in the alpha beta the matter of scoring draws and stalemates and threefold repetitions is the matter of search, but I think that we can make use of this Python chessboard functionality to retrieve those kind of things, and I think that we could have make it in from the evaluation perspective. So let's get back to our Python chess library, and here I just want to get back, yeah, exactly right over in here, and I'm not sure how exactly this should have been done. So board checkmate. Okay, let's go for trial and error method. So let's try, well, assuming that there might be a very huge number, or, well, still the total reward should be fine, I believe. Okay, let's just try it. So in order to avoid torturing, so the arena, I just want to find some, again, like just want to find, okay, I just do it by hands. I just do this by hands now. So the FEN string, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would be white to move, no impassant, no castling, no impassant, and doesn't care about half move counter and the full move as well, search. So let's try to have our mate in position. So 4, king, 3, and here queen. Let's make it queen 7, and here let's make it 1. Let's have another queen 6, and here we have a king. Okay, 3. And just want to grab this maiden string. Okay, squiff from here and run this again. So position FEN, I want to initialize the position from here, and I really hope, so this should be white to move. Yeah, this is white to move. So let's say go move time 1000. What? Board is not defined? You kidding me? Engine Pi, line 14. Oh, maybe it's the matter of parse FEN. Maybe not. Oh, yeah. State board, not the board. Where is this? Yeah, I need to see, or hold on a sec. This is interesting. No, hold on a sec. It was kind of capable of. Hold on. It was capable of parsing the. What is this? What is this? Hold on. Why I can't see? Okay, position FEN. Okay, go move time 1000. So this is absolutely strange error. So let's try to figure out where it comes from. So in UCI loop, best move and score, execute round. Oh, so it starts from, yeah, it starts from line 26, which is, hold on a sec. Line 26 and NNUE policy. Oh, so here is the bug. Okay, guys, so state obviously. Yeah, I'm sorry for this. My bad. Okay, so let's go position FEN and paste and go move time 1 second. Another disaster. Okay, we're now same stuff. Monte Carlo research. Are you kidding me? State board FEN. Oh, this is it. This is it. Okay, state. My bad. My bad. Okay. Okay, at least it makes the move, but B6 to B8. B6. Oh, do you mean it mates? Whoa. Whoa. Did it just manage to do it? White to move. Okay, so it seems too easy. Okay, it just seems too easy to me. Okay, let's now try to switch the colors. So this would be the white king, this would be the black queen, black queen, black king, and black to move. And copy, position FEN, paste, go move time. Now it shouldn't print, now it shouldn't find, oh, I just got 3 queens. Hold on a second, that's a little bit too much. That's a little bit too much. King here. Now it shouldn't find a mating position. Well, at least I think so. Parse FEN, paste. Are you kidding me? Not this FEN. This FEN, copy, paste, no position. Okay, finally. So this FEN, okay, and go move time 1 second. A7, A1. Yes, A7 goes to A1, which is not mating. Perfect. So it's predictable that it doesn't work. Okay, so now, well, in my dreams, it would just simply say like, and turn is equal to true, which is meant that turn is white to move. In this case, we want to return 1000. And let's try this again. Position FEN, paste. What have I done? Nope. What have I done? Okay. Try again. Try again. Go move time. Man, you're kidding me. Again the same. Why A7, A1? No, this is getting real weird. weird. Is it actually getting there? So print. Maybe I should have done elif here, but doesn't seem that much. Okay, so I just want to make sure. Okay, so he gets there. He really gets there. But for some unbelievable reason, why does it make this weird move a7 to a1 here? Complete mystery, to be honest. Absolute mystery for me. It was working so nicely with the whites, but why it works so horribly wrong with the black? Well, at least he gets here. So at least he gets here. So can I... I'm just thinking how would it be, what would it be the proper way of debugging this? What would it be the proper way of debugging? Okay. To be honest, no ideas at the moment. Well, what would I do in this case? I would try to, I don't know, try to play around with a couple more positions in arena apparently. So okay, once I was making some test for sudden death, kind of like, so if we just go for here, it should be okay. It doesn't mate anymore at the moment. Yeah, he probably he already could have made me. He could have made me after this move, right? Well, it's not yet a mate, but so it's not capable of mating with black. But in theory it might be capable with mating with whites. Okay, let's check that as well. Nope. Make move. And trying to get mated as soon as possible here. Okay. Well, it's good that you take my queen. This is really good. But can you please checkmate me? No, anything but not a checkmate. Man, what are you doing? Come on. Okay, so this test fails immediately, so let's go for oh, I just got my position from the clipboard. This is interesting. Okay, yeah, it goes A7 to A1 for some unbelievable reason, some reason that I can't understand. Okay, nope. Wait to move. Okay, make move. And here he mates. Now this is very, very strange to me, to be honest. This is very strange. Well, maybe just the first move that he picks. So I just try to, I don't know, put a king here. Say rook here. Oh, no, let's put, so make this mate, okay? So, and white to move. So this is going to be a mate, right? So rook goes to h1, and so this is going to be a mate. Well, so to avoid that, let's make it like so. So rook h1 won't be a mate anymore. Okay. Okay, hold on. Is it gonna mate now? Okay, he made it. Okay, this is good. He didn't even find a mate in 2, which is great. But why he can't find a mate with the black pieces, this is a total mystery to me. A total mystery. So why this is not working? Okay, hold on. Cancel. Maybe I'm just tired and not seeing what am I doing anymore. Hold on, why? Okay. Black to move. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't mate. He goes for a stalemate. This is interesting. This is very, very interesting. Well, we could have held a stalemate as well, which probably would be a good thing to consider. Okay, what if I make it elif? I know this trial and error method is not something we should go for, but I'm Komaki and I don't know any other one. Excuse me. Hold on a sec. Where is the engine? Hold on. Where is the engine? Illegal move. What are you talking about? Okay. Clear board. Black to move. Gives the stalemate. Okay, unbelievable. Okay. Let's give it a case. Stalemate. So elif. I don't believe this is gonna work, but let's try state.board.int is stalemate. So I just want to reference. Let's go for is game over, and there is the reference for all the needed functions. Yeah, is stalemate. This is how it's spelled. Copy. Want to return 0. Well, we should have returned this insufficient material and all this stuff, but at the moment, I just want to make black being capable of checkmating the opponent, because otherwise it doesn't make any sense at all. So, man, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? So it seems like I'm having this 1/1000, 10/1000 minus 10/1000. So this sign should be fine. At least it's fine for white, right? So this is changed. It's checkmate. I have no idea. This is a total mystery to me, guys. Well, if I fail to do this in the next 5 minutes, I'll probably drop this live stream and try to work it out, and maybe continue later on. Well, at least not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna visit my dentist. So tomorrow I won't be available. Okay, so okay, now it didn't move at all. What has just happened? Okay, it just needs to get restarted. Okay, set up position, nope, clear. Was here a stalemate? Yeah, this was f6, but was a stalemate. Fine, best move. Hold on a sec, wrong position, hold on a sec, hold on. Set up board, black to move. Oh man, no. Well, at least it doesn't go for a stalemate, which is already a good news. Man, I have no idea why. So it should. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? So I remember he gets here, but still, it's not kind of capable of. Total mystery. Total mystery. Well, at least the only test that I can take, so I can try to get mated with the black pieces. Well, if it is capable of mating with the white pieces, well, at least maybe he will mate me with the white pieces. I really hope so. Man, what are you doing? What are you doing? doesn't even take my bishop. This is so strange. Okay, is this a checkmate? Okay, this is a checkmate. This is good. So at least I got checkmated. It's a bit weird, to be honest. Why didn't he take the bishop and the stuff? But, well, at least I got checkmated here. Well, most likely, well, at least I think that I won't get checkmated if I would be playing with the white pieces. So my alphabet engine was checkmating me in just very few moves by queen here, and that's it. And then just, so man, he's not checkmating me. Why he doesn't checkmate me? Why he doesn't checkmate me? Okay, so sorry guys, just want to make another little test. I don't really want to give up here. Most likely I will be forced to, but anyways, so print. Let's say white is checkmated. So I just want to make sure that he comes here during the search. If he comes there with the black pieces, then what's wrong? Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Maybe I should... Man, this is very weird, but... Maybe... Well, this is absolute nonsense what I've just did, but... Maybe for some reason this would work. I would be happy with whatever result now. Okay. Hold my breath. Hold my breath. Black to move. Well, at least it didn't actually. Okay, so do we have this? Did he walk into? Did he walk into? He didn't. Are you kidding? Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Let's give him more time. Let's try from the command line. So go move time. Let's give him 3 seconds. So he gets in the checkmated position, okay? B6 to B8. What's the B6? What the hell is this? Okay. Well, at the very least, I have seen that it gets there. At the very least, it gets there. So I don't want to print this. Okay. Total score. Where does this come from? What else do I print? It's probably for something from the previous. B6 to B8. This is mate. Okay, and if I go for and this is made. So are you kidding me? Hold on a sec, but why didn't made in that position? And again, like, okay, if I change this back to plausible, A7 and A1, which is wrong. Man. Now this is really strange. So why? So it does work for this position, but it doesn't work for that position, where the rook was involved. Yeah, b6 to b8, it mates. Very strange. Okay. Let's try to reproduce the position. So, hold on a sec. Okay, yeah, I just need to make it from scratch. So the king. Okay. It would be just faster to grab this from arena. Grab the FEM from arena. Position, copy FEN to clipboard, and paste, save, and paste here. G6. Hold on a sec, something has. Hold on, what's wrong with the king colors? Hold on a sec. Did I just miss the king color? Can be. Well, it's okay. It's not a surprise that it doesn't work. Engines. No, I don't want to make. Hold on, just. Copy FEN to clipboard. If we don't need to specify the side to move and always return the negative score while checkmated, this. Well, but isn't it the same that we were doing in alpha beta search, by the way? Hold on a sec. Okay, so the moment of truth. So go, move time, 1000, E8. Hold on. Oh, it's white to move. Man, what have I done? No, black to move. Okay, I hold my breath again. Position, FEN. A1 to H8. Hallelujah. Oh man. Oh, did I just make it? Okay, so in this case it seems like that we can simply say that just simply like that doesn't carry during the turn to move. Can claim draw. Just want to check this. Can claim draw. Yeah, let's make use of this can claim draw. LF case draw. So LF state dot board dot can claim draw. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, okay, it's just giving me an error. Fortunately, return 0. So stalemate has already been handled. So case, well, word insufficient is a little bit too complicated for me to spell. So I'd rather copy paste that. Is case insufficient material. Okay, elif state the board dot is insufficient material. And also return 0. Oh my god, is this gonna be working? Oh, probably. Hold on, guys, because of the turn factor being multiplied by -1 and by... Oh, okay, so probably that happens due to the turn factor, I believe. Yeah, probably that's the reason why we went... Yeah, the same stuff we've been doing in the alphabet engines. Yeah, it wasn't... It didn't confuse me then. Well, it actually did confuse me, but okay. So is this going to be a working engine from now on? Hold on, guys. Hold on a sec. Quit. Let's make it one more time. So position FEN. Oh my god, it went to H8 and he mates. Oh my god, so this seems to be quite working. Okay guys, so I hope this would be the final test now. So I'll really try to see how the engine mates me with the black pieces. I hope to see that, and if that works, we'll then try to play a match with this NNUE Monte Carlo Research NNUE chess versus the AO by Dietrich Kappe. So yeah, so let's go. Excuse me. No, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Please mate me. Come on, man. You have to mate Code Monkey King. You have to mate him. You have to mate Code Monkey King. Thank God. Well, it's a little bit not the same mate as I had when with my alpha beta engine. It takes a little bit longer, but for Monte Carlo research, this is still applicable. I believe this is still applicable. Okay, so let's try a very quick game as a human. I just want to see how well it plays if I try not to get mated, but try to play some reasonable chess instead. So just try to exchange pieces, going for a bad variation of knight takes e5, which forces queen e7, but it doesn't even go for that. Okay, castles. So the well-known issue of Monte Carlo research is tactical blunders from time to time, which is the issue. Okay, can I? So he wants to grab here, but well, I don't mind. You just take this pawn. we just take this pawn, and I want to take, or hold on a sec, no, this wasn't clever. Okay, just take back. I would rather go like, here, overwrite. Okay, so you just take this rook. I don't mind if you take the rook. And now I'm forcing him to take with the pawn. So is he doomed? Yeah, he is doomed here. Not very good. Okay, so let's just give him a bit more time to think from this position. So let's go level. So just, oh, I already have 3 seconds. So, well, it's kind of well-known issue for Monte Carlo research, this kind of tactical blunders. But anyway, already I feel like quite pretty satisfied with the result. So let's see what is it gonna be doing with this 5 second per move. So after bishop going to a6, it should play something like d7, d6 or d7, d5 to cover the g4 square to avoid queen going there ever. So did I? Hold on a sec. It just hands. King g8 to h8. So make move. Okay, make move like this. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay, now takes this one. And now he should play d6 or d5. For otherwise, man, so he can't see that he's gonna get mated here. It's a little bit of a pain. Yeah, it's a little bit of a pain. Okay. So let's give him a chance. I won't be that. So I won't be going here. So let's just give him a chance. Let's just give him a chance. Let's give him a chance. So will you ever see this move? Okay, let's give him a chance like this. So the mated is in one would be threatening. Okay, so now he already has a defense. Yeah, this is good. Now he already has a defense. Yeah, this is real good. Okay. Oh, just drop the queen. Okay, this is good. This is real good. Because, yeah, at least it looks like chess already. Well, this move is a little bit strange, to be honest. Why does it drop? Well, anyway, I think this is, at least this is enough to play versus AO Light in a small tournament. So a 2-game tournament, I would like to have a 2-game tournament. Engines and log window, no, sorry, not this one. Engines tournament. And I want to play with my Monte Carlo Research and NUE versus AO Light by Dietrich Kappe. Kappe, I'm not sure how to pronounce that correctly. Okay, and delete the previous results, and here we go. Okay, so our engine kicks off with knight to f3. Oh man, what have I done? No, hold on a sec. Cancel this. It just blitz. He's not capable of doing that. So let's give him time per move, and let's, just to make it more interesting, let's give him 1 second per move to see how they're gonna deal with that. Just to have a quick game. Well, reasonable opening so far. Well, Queen's Gambit declined just perfect, assuming that we don't have an opening book here, do we? No, we don't have. This is quite pretty nice. Okay. Okay. So both engines can fail tactically. The matter of how AO Lite is different from this Monte Carlo Research NNUE version of our engine is it also takes care of so-called move policies, which is some sort of okay. Was it a blunder? Was it a blunder? Which is some sort of what are you doing, man? Why did you drop the queen? Oh, what have you just done? Why did you drop the queen? And now he drops the rook. Man, what is he doing? Yeah, something definitely goes wrong with the tactics. Something definitely goes wrong with the tactics here. Yeah, most likely we just get mated now. It started so nicely, but then it just... Is it gonna be a draw? Okay, is this gonna be a draw? Oh my god, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Why didn't AO Lite manage to win this game? Unbelievable. There was total crush. He should have lost that. Horribly. Well, anyway, I love the overall... Man, what is he doing? What are you doing? Why did you drop the piece? Why did you drop the piece? Okay, so we should deal with the tactics. Yeah, I'm not sure. Well, maybe it just needs more time to think, because it's probably crucial for... Man, what are you doing? Oh no, what are you doing? It's crucial for Monte Carlo research when you don't have enough time, and the game becomes too random. Just too random. Okay, I can't watch this anymore. So let's try to give him a bit more time. Tournament, and let's give him at least 3 seconds per move and make it again. I don't mind if my engine would lose. I do mind against having, like this piece giveaways here. Both engines politely think that each of them is slightly worth compared to the opponent. Yeah, by the way, I didn't keep track of the evaluation in the previous game. Maybe I should do this in this one. Well, at least it doesn't drop the pieces when the threats capture in one move are available. While on the other hand, yeah, it makes some weird moves from time to time. Well, pretty solid positionally so far. Would you like to castle? So captures by the rook, I believe. Yeah. So the NNUE works perfectly well in terms of finding kind of cool moves here, which I really like. Yeah, this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. Well, I believe that the stuff known as alphabet rollouts actually would allow to avoid those weird things like has just happened here. Hold on a sec. Do you think you're better? Man, what's wrong? Yeah, I think that maybe something is going horribly wrong with the evaluation. He thinks he's better. He just thinks he's better. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm just too tired to figure out what's going wrong. today because it's late, and again tomorrow I need to get up early in the morning. But yeah, so NNUE thinks that it is so much better. Why did black drop a queen? Oh my god, what kind of chess is this? What kind of chess is this? Well, Aeolite is is interesting opponent. He drops pieces as well for some unclear reasons. Some unclear reasons to me. Oh no, just drop the rook. Why did you drop the rook? Who cares about the rook? Yeah, who cares about the rook? Okay, yeah, it's more like, it seems like a random game. Well, okay guys, but anyway, I think we did a major breakthrough together today, because at very least it's kind of playing chess already. So I think that there should be, is this a mate? Okay, no, not yet. Now this is going to be a mate. Okay, now this is a mate. Okay, so let's stop here. Okay guys, so if someone of you who is, well, I know that most of you guys much smarter than I am, so if you have any ideas like why it happens like you've just seen in the games, please let me know in the commentaries. Well, even though it seems like that our engine is capable of beating opponent, actually capable of mating opponent, at least from its evaluation perspective, and most likely to even force a draw, what was an option when he was in a horribly losing position. He actually won by a three move repetition draw, which was really impressive. And again, like on the other hand, Aeolite also drops pieces from time to time for some unclear reason to me. So if you know like how to improve this sort of I can't call it engine obviously, but anyway, please let me know in the commentaries. I would really love to take your wisdom into account and try to make it better. And obviously I would be working on this on my own. I try to tinker a little bit more with this, and if I find something interesting, that would be another part within this live stream session on creating a multi-cloud research plus an NNUE engine-like wrapper in Python programming language. Well, okay guys, so this is it from my side. I don't know whether you've enjoyed watching this live stream. At very least, I've incredibly enjoyed making it for you guys. So that's kind of how it looks from CodeMakerKid's perspective. So anyway, I wish you all the best, and if you try anything with this code provided within this live stream, and if it works somehow for you, please let me know in the commentaries. I incredibly want to have some feedbacks from you guys regarding this sort of an experiments. So yeah, now this is it from my side, and I wish you all the best. Again, like tomorrow I would be busy, but maybe the day after tomorrow I would come back with some sort of new ideas. Maybe not, we'll see. So until the next time, and take care.